Welcome, I'm Viktor Shavlak. I'm a dermatologist and aesthetic medicine practitioner. We aesthetic doctors want to stand out. We want to achieve the wow effect, especially in this time-constricted era. In short, we want the best for our patients. We need to give an extra boost to our treatments because I tell you my experience. No single treatment can do all that for you. And don't trust anyone who says that their product can. The trick is to combine multiple therapies, reaping the benefits from each one and balancing out the unwanted effects. Never overdo one single treatment. Excesses are both unsightly and unsafe. Before we start, you'll need to know about the basic PRX-T33 technique. So if you want to catch up with that, go and find my basic tutorial video. So let's go! The stimulation effect of threading is visible after some time. The result of the associated treatment is immediately visible thanks to the deep hydration caused by PRX-T33, leading to immediate patient satisfaction. This association treatment stimulates both type 1 and type 3 collagen production, thus giving a more natural effect compared to threading on its own. Moreover, this entails that fewer threads are needed in the following sessions. These are the things you will need: pea solution, vial of PRX-T33, cannula, narrow tip spatula, dry skin cream, smoothing fluid, body cream, nitrile gloves, syringe, PDO threads, ice packs. So make sure you use a nitrile gloves, not the latex ones. Before you begin, get to know your patient's skin. See that there are no signs of dermatitis or other lesions that might contraindicate the treatment. Decide how many threads to implant, in which arrangement and where. If you think you should use numbing cream, leave it in occlusion for the time recommended by the manufacturer and then remove it. Start by preparing the skin with pea solution. Apply 3 layers of PRX-T33 with the correct amount of pressure. Almost immediately, PRX-T33 will make the skin plumper and it will be easier to implant the threads. Apply PRX-T33 in linear wrinkles, such as necklace lines, with the special spatula along the depression, rubbing until the skin slightly rises, which will allow the thread to be placed in a more superficial plane. When you've done, put some ice packs on the area. You can do this treatment on areas other than the face, such as neck, inner arms, thighs. You'll make a more efficient use of the threads, and the outcomes from double stimulation will be more naturalistic. Don't forget to instruct your patients on the right dermocosmetic home care, such as Wyco body cream, to continue the stimulation at home. Today we've learned the advantages of combining PRX-T33 with PDO threading, how to combine the two treatments, the right home care. Want more or are interested in other indications? Stay tuned for more combined protocols.